Well, hello everybody. I bought this engine up at Wasion. It's going to go in my pickup truck, and I'm starting to prep it, get it ready to go in. Thought I'd just give you a quick run around how I'm doing this, so if you're new and you need a little help with that, why, it might help you. I like to use straps because chains tend to bang around on the cam cover and everything. Of course, being in the business I'm in, I can make straps up whatever I want to do, whatever size and length I need. But you can see here, I just ran the strap through the hole there for the starter and put a piece of pipe on, zip tight so it can't move. Up here, I'm using the front motor mount bolt. And on this side, I'm using the one of the generator mounting holes. And then on the very back here, I don't know if you can see it, but I dropped the webbing down under here, and there's a bolt there run through the webbing to kind of cinch it up between the intake and exhaust manifold. Then I can just join those two with this ring here, and as I go through this, I'll show you, once I get it on the cherry picker, I'll show you how to balance it up so it's even. But that takes care of that. Now on the back end of this, you can see I've already got the clutch together. And what I do is I use a input shaft from an old tranny I had laying around, Crosley transmission. And that gives me a way to line everything up and keep it that way. And what I'll do, I'll pull that out just as I get ready to move it into place so nothing's moving. I rebuilt the pressure plate with a kit from Service Motors. The springs and everything in it are very strong, so I think it's actually got enough tension on the clutch disc to hold it well without it moving around at all. The flywheel's been resurfaced. Barry Seal took care of that little ditty. Now on the fingers, this is the 6.5 inch clutch, by the way. They have these bolts in the fingers. Now, my thinking is that's not so much to do with adjustment, it is to get minimum contact points on the throwout bearing. What you want to do on those, I've seen every bolt imaginable stuck in that hole, but if you'll notice, these are very thin-headed bolts, and that's a fine thread as I remember it. What you want to do, and Barry just told me this at the show last week, use a dial caliper and measure these from under the head to the surface of the finger, and adjust them until they're all equal, and then leave it alone. You can do the rest of your adjustment with the linkage and everything on the clutch. So that's what we got going on here. Now like I said, once I get it on the cherry picker, I will do some more video. I'm probably going to have to do this in about 4 sections because I am not going to try and drop the thing in the truck with a video running. One of the things when you work alone, as long as I have, you learn to do things alone. And sometimes that means the language coming out of my mouth may not be the best language when something's not working my way. So I won't actually film it going in the hole because I can't. I've only got 2 hands and I can't film and maneuver an engine. I wish I had help, but I don't. So when I get around to that point, I'll do a video of it as it's getting ready to go in, and then I'll do a video of it after it's in place. So we'll just call this part 1, and we'll get back to the others later. Thanks a lot.